Oh yeah, here we are. Braemer Trails. Brand new trails of unlimited power. They have hiking trails here too.
I apologize for the fogginess of these videos. I had a little bit of condensation on my camera and I didn't notice it until a lot later. It does go away eventually.
Okay. Folks on Space Aliens, are you excited? This is the new Braemer New Braemer Park trails, and it's actually not that hard to find. I kind of knew the area, but I did not expect the trails to be here in this area. I got confused between, I think there's a Bredesen Park and a Braemer Park in there. They're not too far different from each other as far as where they're located. Bredesen is just north of here a little bit. Yeah, we got jumps right here. I'm gonna kind of roll through this half speed. Oh yeah, those are nice. Wow. Oh, these are sweet. Oh yeah. Oh, those are nice. Those are so nice. There are more jumps coming too. They're very sendish. Jumps there, and then there's a big table right there behind the big tree. I need to, wow. Yeah, I need to do something with my keys. I need my backpack. From right here, it's sessionable to do that first part, I think. Yeah. Oh boy, I don't know if I'm gonna send him this time or not. I want to see if I can get a little more speed. Oh yeah! Oh, these buckets are clearing them. Wow, that one's a little scary. Okay, well I got those first two. Yeah, it's a little scary. Typical. I don't think I'm going to be sending these other ones first time either. There's easier ones on the other side. So we're going to check those out in a minute. The real question is, would I call anything here a table? Yes, there are tables here, but they're very lippy. So you could generate into multiphasic disunion. Yeah, you're getting the speed. Definitely getting the speed right here. Oh yeah, I can feel it. Okay. Oh yeah. Yep. For sure. Yep. Oh yeah, these are bananas. They're so easy looking. Of course, I'm casing the bananas out of them, but I think those look really easy going into them. Oh, go back uphill again. Oh, I see rock gardens up on the big hill now again. You can actually see the features as you're coming up. So it's a lot of rocks. There's a rock drop. Way too many turns. I'm just not getting these turns today. Oh. The golf course is about 4 stories below me right now. Oh, something like a pig too. Okay. All right, here we go. Down a little hill. Verminations. Oh, that's pretty sweet. Hit that with speed. Oh, these are just crafted. They are forms of art. Those berms. And even more rock. Rocky staircases. Not bad. Pretty easy, actually. Okay, so there's a rock drop. This is a rock drop. Okay, not bad. Not bad at all. Pretty easy. But there's another trail next to me. I'm really not sure what the... So there's a longer loop in here. From the looks of it. Now I'm back to where I started. Oh, this is the north loop, as I would call it. North side. And there's a green and a blue here too. Let's do the green just for the heck of it. Yeah, they got jumps over here too. On the blue trail. So I'm gonna kind of go through this slowly. No, this is a fun trail. I mean, it's not really my cup of tea, but so this is the left blue trail. Wow, this is like a dream come true. I don't know what's a jump and what's not. This is my first roll through. Oh wow, big jump right there. Big jump. I think this is just going downhill. Wow. I think this just goes down and around. I don't think this is the jump line. I really don't. Nope. The jump line was the other one. Okay. I mean, it's still awesome. It's like a flow universe. Look at these jumps. Oh, yeah, I missed it. Yeah, I missed the jump line. Okay. Well, if you want to take this trail, you can see what the jumps look like. I don't know where this goes. I know that goes out. Oh, okay, here we go. So, this must go back. Okay. There's like an insane amount of stuff in here. Okay, so we're gonna do this blue quick, just really quick and really quick. And get a little closer look at these jumps. I was watching people doing them, and yeah, you're cruising. My back right now is kind of tweaked out, so yeah, there's jumps on this one too. It looks like. Holy buckets! There are some serious jumps here. Yeah, this will definitely give you a view of what's up here. Don't need to do the green. Do the blue. Like I'm doing it. You get a pretty good idea. This is one of the jumps. I feel like I could totally send these, but I probably won't do those today. That's one of them. That's a golf ball. I wonder how that got up here. Somebody was really... The start. This is one of the jumps. And then right after it, another one. And I think some guys are gonna do it. Go! Go, go, go! Wow! Well, they're clearing them. Oh, he's casing it just a little bit. Okay. This is the junction here. Wow. This is crazy. All right, let's see what this one's like. I know there's big jumps on this. Yep, that's not bad. Oh yeah, those are easy. I'm just a little bit leery because of my first time, but not bad. This one, That's not bad either. No, these are good. Oh yeah. Yeah, those are easy. Those are easy. I always last one. Oh gosh. Hip around the block. Okay, I slowed down too much. Nice. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. I might do that one again. Me too. Yeah, I cased that a little bit. My back is just not being very cooperative at all right now. I'm getting the jumps. It's just that first one. This one, no, not bad. Not bad at all. I don't know. I may have just lost my phone. Yep. I just lost my phone. Crap. Well, I'm gonna probably kick out of here. Not done yet. Oh, sorry. This is going out. Nice, tight, turn. There we go. That's kind of goofy. So you could go all the way around too. But I'm gonna go back to the car, get rid of my phone and other necessaries. All right, so this is me checking this out. I'm going kind of slow because, whoa, okay, so that's a little gap. Okay, yeah, I can see getting speed with these and clearing them. People have been up here when it's too wet. Oh, this is an immaculate museum of dirt. That's right, you heard me. Immaculate museum of dirt. Wow. Yeah, this is a sculpture garden. Man. Whoa. Okay. Wow. These are huge. Oh. Yeah. Wow. 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 Okay, yeah, next time. Next time. Well, holy banana boats, Batman. I want to clear all the tabletops in Minnesota. I got my work cut out for me. Thankfully, this place is not that far away. I got pretty much all of the jumps on this line next to me, the blue line, lower blue line. And then I guess the one on top is Terrain Park. I rolled through it, and those are some big jumps, but I can see myself building up to it. What I might do is I might come back here. No, there's no might. I will come back here. All right, so this is me attempting to do all the jumps on this trail. Oh boy, here I go. Ready for death. Wah! No! 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 Not quite ready for that one. It's not really I don't know, is that a table? Little more speed. Okay, so this next one is gonna be a pickle farmer. You just have to go for it, I think is the main thing. I mean, you get some serious speed in here. And I'm kind of cutting down. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Nope. Not quite. Not quite there. It's really loose, too, right now. Really, really loose. That table would be super easy if I could get the gaps. But it's like super loose right now. Last pull. Oh, here we go. Whoa! Oh, I cased it. That's okay, I did it. Holy cow, I cased it. I cased it. Holy cow. Click, click, click. Click, click, click. Oh my gosh, I think